Hi kids, welcome to Rye Kids TV.
Frogs lay their eggs in calm or static water. These eggs float on the surface of the water body. Some of them die while others hatch. After some time, the baby frogs develop a tail and they look like fish. They are called tadpoles. Shortly after hatching, the tadpole feeds on the yolk of the egg. After a few days, the tadpole can swim around and eat algae. It gradually develops teeth which help it to chew food. As tiny legs start developing on the tadpole's body, it begins to look more like an adult frog instead of a fish. After a few weeks, the tail disappears completely. The hands and feet become stronger and longer. Adult frogs live in a colony of frogs. They mate and return to the water to lay eggs. Thus, the next generation of frogs comes into existence.
Like, share and subscribe channel and press bell button.